In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets in HubSpot, a tool that's essential if you're looking to manage customer interactions seamlessly as part of HubSpot how-tos with Neighborhood. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get started. First, we're going to head over to the trial guide. You want to navigate to the app on HubSpot, specifically the Sales Hub Professional. Having access to this platform is crucial because it's where all the magic happens when it comes to handling customer service, sales processes, and automation features that HubSpot provides. This guide is perfect for those who are looking to explore the features of HubSpot's Sales Professional suite without immediately committing. It gives you the chance to get familiar with the tools you will be using. Once you're in, the next thing you'll need to do is click on the Tickets section. This area is the core of your customer service operations. In HubSpot, tickets are used to track all customer inquiries related to your services. Clicking here will bring you to the dashboard where you can view and manage all existing tickets. It's also where we'll be creating new ones. So, take a moment here to glance over the layout just to get a feel for how things are structured. Next, within that same section, you'll click on the Create Ticket option that you'll find prominently displayed. This is your starting point for all new inquiries. When you click it, you'll be prompted with a form. Here, you'll enter essential details about the issue or inquiry at hand. We're talking about assigning a status to the ticket, whether it's open, in progress, or closed, adding a priority level, and maybe tagging a pipeline if you have multiple processes running through each ticket. All these details are critical for ensuring that the ticket flows through the right channels and ends up in the hands of the right team member. After you've got that sorted, make sure you take advantage of the Notes section. This is where you can jot down any additional remarks or instructions that could prove useful to whoever picks up this ticket next. It helps in maintaining the continuity of communication and ensures that nothing gets lost in translation when the ticket is being handled. And that wraps up our session on creating tickets in HubSpot. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, simply save your new ticket and you're all set. The great thing about HubSpot is its ability to grow with your needs, providing all the tools necessary to manage your customer service with efficiency and ease. We hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to manage your customer queries like a pro. If you have any questions or run into any hiccups while following along, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.